Next, we have combined aquamarine and white sapphire in this beautiful ring at $349.99. But today, everybody saves a good $80 off the regular price. Now, $269.77, 4 easy payments from now till September of just $67.45 per month, like we spoke of a moment ago. Sizes 6, 8, 9, and 10 available on this ring, I believe. Yep. Oh, boy, this is a beauty.
This is actually a cushion-shaped stone. It's quite a chunky ring, very classic Art Deco. A lot of the strong geometric lines within this piece. Beautiful diamond cut white sapphire scattered all throughout this piece. And it's just a strong, chunky, classic deco piece. A lot of work to this as far as the engraving around the shank. And it's got all these wonderful little deco elevations. And sort of the half moon, and then the bezel setting. The way this is done, there's no prong work on this piece. It's hammer bezeled. Bezeling is a very difficult process of setting. You literally have to take a solid wall and hammer the edge around the top of the stone. So there's no prongs, but it's all being used on this, hammered on the edge, and then sort of a tension set. The entire rest of the top of this piece is just completely packed with beautiful white sapphires and pave work, but it's a nice, chunky, strong, structural deco ring. I love, again, very strong lines to this ring. Very clear, defined deco theme to this. And it's just, again, the way we've carved it, it's got all these wonderful little mill grain edging and sections to this. It's a great, great classic. Just aquamarine, also becoming harder to get. The prices on aqua are going through the roof. I've been telling you from the first day that I came in here about aqua. Aqua is a rare stone. It's not something we see very often, and don't think it's blue topaz.
Yep,
it's not treated. Right. It's totally natural.
The aquamarine, that's a 10 by 8 millimeter stone, and then you have 36 white sapphires. Item number 456745. One of my favorites of the hour. I just love
I love that ring.
The sapphire, the aquamarine, the white of the rhodium, sterling silver. 456745.